University of Hertfordshire allotment area. 4 years ago we started working down here with the University of Hertfordshire on this allotment area, and as a way of students to de-stress from their courses and really improve their physical and mental health. It was a great success. We spent half of our time over in the allotment area here and half our time over on the Bayfordbury campus. This year we have yet again come back working alongside the University of Hertfordshire to work with the students throughout the pandemic. And it's really been great in order to see the effect that this project has had on the social isolation that students have been facing over the course of the year. Many students that we've encountered haven't met anybody apart from the people that they live with, especially that are first year students. Many of the students hadn't met anybody on their course at all. So it's been great running this allotment project, not only being able to have people being active once a week, learning about gardening and conservation and planting the fantastic fruit and veg that you see behind me, but also it's been great to see at the end of sessions people asking for each other's phone numbers and chatting outside and coming here in their free time to water the gardens, and they've made such a tremendous impact on this area. It's been great.
I saw it advertised on an email, and it was partially because there was no other social things going on in campus because of COVID, but also I love gardening, I love plants, I love the idea of getting out, and the idea of free food, frankly, being grown on campus. So luckily, Sophie, who I live with on campus, wanted to go with me. She is a plant fanatic. And we went along, and it was lovely. It was really relaxed, really friendly. There weren't many people when we first started, but it was still really nice. It was hard work, especially when it didn't rain for a while. But it really helped, and during lockdown, it really helped with mental health and with physical health. A reason to leave the house, to get outside with fresh air, to see people who I didn't live with 24/7. It changed up my routine, gave me a reason to wake up in the morning every now and again when things seemed a bit hopeless. So it was really lovely, and everything's so friendly, and I think I've learnt a lot. I feel happy. Yeah, it's really nice. I've met loads of different people, and they're all at different stages of university, different stages of life. Everyone's welcome, everyone's so friendly. Just turn up and you learn. It's lovely.
Hi, I'm Emma Lewis. I'm the university's Community Liaison and Support Officer. So I'm point of contact for the students renting privately off campus, and I've also been involved in setting up community projects on both of our campuses, College Lane and De Havilland. So I've been a part of the College Lane allotment project for the last 4 years, and we've seen growing popularity with our sessions. And Groundwork East have been facilitating weekly sessions over the last couple of years, encouraging students to develop our green spaces whilst also improving overall well-being. And this last year we've seen the most engagement over the duration of the whole project, which has been fantastic. With everything going on during the pandemic, everybody has been working through challenging times, ever-changing government restrictions, but we've been very, very fortunate to have these allotment plots that we can continue our outdoor activities. We've had feedback from lots of our students who may not have had the opportunity to meet other students through our normal activities because of restrictions, but they've met each other here at the plots, shared their contact details and met in other places, which is fantastic. And we just encourage people to use these spaces when the sessions aren't going on. We have a shed with tools there that they can work on the plots in their own time, and we hope to continue the project going forward.
I'm Sophie. I come here because in my course a lot I basically sit at a desk all day in front of my computer, so coming out here for just a couple of hours each week is really, really nice. I don't think I realise how stressed I am, like doing my course and just sitting down and being stuck in my room, especially with everything that's happened this year. So yeah, I feel like a lot of tension has been released every time I go back to the flat. I feel like I can, I don't know, let loose a little bit more somehow. I think the idea of being out and putting time and energy into a project like this is really exciting. And coming back to see the development, you don't even have to do that much, but you get such a feeling of being part of something from doing something like this. And yeah, even if you just do a little bit, then you can still see the development of everything that we're doing here, and it feels really rewarding even just to be here and see the growth. I think because it's so different to my course, then it helps me in my course by relieving any stress, doing something completely different. If there's not any sessions running during the week, or for whatever reason, I'll definitely be down here with a fork weeding. Just to take a break. It's so close to all the accommodation, so I can literally just pop out and take some weeds out and just have a little 5 minutes to myself, do a bit of watering, and then go back, and even that is enough to make me feel a bit more free if I'm feeling pent up.
Hi, my name's Adam, and I'm the International Student Sport Officer here at the University of Hertfordshire. I've been kind of coordinating this project with the help of Groundworks, who've been delivering the sessions over the last few months, which has been absolutely amazing to see all of the work that the students have done. Throughout the pandemic, we really struggled, obviously, to offer in-person activities because it was obviously really difficult. Can't have, with all of the restrictions, it was really difficult to kind of work within the government guidelines, but this has been such a fantastic opportunity that we could offer this throughout the pandemic, apart from during the lockdowns, and I think the students have really benefited from that. And when it's so hard to meet other students, we've created online events, and but that in-person activity, it's great to see. We've seen students come down here together, swap numbers, so yeah, it's been such a great project to run this year, especially.
So I moved to the UK only in September, and I was looking for different social things that you could do during COVID as well, and gardening was kind of perfect. So it was really lovely to have an opportunity to come and socialize and learn like new cool practical skills as well. I never thought that gardening was my thing because I grew up in a city and I never had a garden of my own. So I just wanted to do something new and social, I suppose. So anyone who is like interested in meeting new people and just spending a lovely time outside in fresh air and sunshine, they should come to these sessions.